Have you ever promised yourself that tomorrow you will finally change your life, but when tomorrow comes, you still waste time scrolling on your phone and avoiding your work? The truth is, you are not lazy. Your brain naturally follows psychology and seeks comfort instead of difficulty. Psychologist B.F. Skinner explained that humans repeat behaviors that give instant rewards, which is why social media feels more attractive than studying or working toward long-term goals. Ancient philosopher Aristotle once said, "We are what we repeatedly do," meaning your habits shape your future more than temporary motivation ever will. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman explains that the brain changes through repetition, a process called neuroplasticity. The more you procrastinate, the stronger procrastination becomes, but the more action you take, the stronger your confidence grows. Your brain wants safety, not greatness, which is why growth often feels uncomfortable and uncertain. Psychologist Dweck discovered that people with a growth mindset believe skills improve through effort, and those people are more likely to succeed. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people is not talent, it is consistent action. Small actions repeated every day slowly create a completely different future. One person waits for motivation, while another starts even when tired, and after a year, their lives become completely different. Your future is created by what you do daily, not by what you dream about. Your mind can be trained, and the moment you finally take action, your new life begins.